Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to find your bank statement in the Chase mobile app. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open the Chase app on your phone and sign into your account. From the dashboard, select the bank account or credit card account for which you want to download the statement. Once you open the account, scroll down until you see the See All Transactions section and tap on it. On the next screen, look for the Statements option and open it. Now you will be asked to choose the year for the statement you want to access. Tap on the year, and then select the month of the statement you want to view or download. After selecting the statement, it will open as a PDF file on your phone showing your account details and transaction history. If you want to save or share the statement, tap on the share icon located either at the bottom of the screen or in the top right corner depending on your device. From there, you can download the PDF to your phone or share it through email or other apps if needed. That's it. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.